Have you ever driven down a hot road or looked out over the desert and seen water shimmering in the distance, only for it to disappear as you get closer? Where reality plays tricks on your eyes. A mirage isn't magic, but rather a natural optical illusion caused by the way light bends through layers of air with different temperatures. On a hot day, the ground heats up the air just above it, creating layers where the air near the surface is much hotter than the air higher up. This bending of light, called refraction, makes light from the sky appear to come from the ground, fooling your brain into thinking you're seeing water, but it's actually just a reflection of the sky. There are actually two types of mirages. The common one we see on roads or in deserts is called an inferior mirage, where it looks like water is beneath the horizon. Then there's the rarer and more mysterious superior mirage, where objects like ships or islands appear to float above the horizon. This happens in cold regions over water when the air near the surface is cooler than the air above it, creating the illusion of floating objects. The desert is famous for mirages. Scorching hot sand heats the air, and light bends in the same way, creating the illusion of distant lakes or ponds, tricking travelers into thinking they've found water. But when they get closer, the water vanishes, leaving them mystified by the illusion. In reality, these kinds of mirages are common in any hot environment. If you've ever driven on a sunny day and noticed a shimmer in the distance, you've already seen a mirage. Scientifically, mirages are all about light refraction. When light passes through air at different temperatures, it bends, creating an illusion. On a hot day, the air near the ground is much hotter, which bends the light upwards, making us think there's water where there's none. Interestingly, you can even capture a mirage on camera. Since it's a real optical phenomenon, your camera lens can pick up the illusion just like your eyes do. So, next time you spot that shimmering water on the road, try taking a picture. It's nature's own optical illusion at work. Mirages have even inspired legends and stories. Sailors in the past would see ghost ships on the horizon, thanks to superior mirages, while desert explorers have often been misled by false oases. It's amazing how something as simple as light bending can create such powerful illusions, fooling even experienced travelers. So, next time you're out on a hot day and spot what looks like water on the road or in the desert, you'll know it's just light bending, playing a clever trick on your brain. Isn't it incredible how nature can create such mind-bending illusions? If you want to learn more about cool phenomena like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing science facts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.